Hey guys, welcome back. So today this video will it's not much of an unboxing. This is like Prada L'Homme Intense, as you can see on my screen. But I got a tester box, so this is not much of an unboxing. It says Tester Intense Eau de Parfum L'Homme Prada Milano. So Prada L'Homme is being hyped up a lot these days as the office fragrance, the quintessential office fragrance, the ultimate office fragrance, the most long-lasting office fragrance, all that kind of stuff. I think I first watched Jeremy do that, and then now everybody else is pretty much doing the same thing. But I tried that. I didn't like it that much at Myers or David, I don't remember. But this one, I have not smelled this yet, but I think I will probably like it because this has a little bit of a leather in it and tonka bean in it. So I'm hoping I like it. Let's go. We'll do the first impression. Before that, as we normally do, Prada's new fragrant pair, Prada La Femme and Prada L'Homme, premiered on the market in 2016. Okay. A year later, they enriched and intensified compositions now the performance cost. Okay, so this was released in 2017. So this one has patchouli as well. And the top note is iris. And it looks like it's a very long-lasting fragrance. And that's one thing I want. I've always wanted. This is less of a review than is a question. Does it smell anywhere close to Amouage? Oh, I have that as well. Okay, so let's do this. So this one is like a tester box. Okay, there's nothing much to show here, except that it says, like, what I noticed is it says, where was that? Yeah, it says made in Spain. I don't know why. This is Prada it's like an Italian brand, isn't it? I will see on the logo here you see Milano, but for some reason this one was made in Spain. So this is what the box looks like. It's a tester box, but that's how the bottle itself looks like. There's nothing much to show here. It's just made in Spain. Okay, so this box looks beautiful. Oh damn, this looks nice. It's very heavy. Okay, so yeah, that's about the unboxing. Let's do the spray. Oh yes. I'll let it settle for some time. I'm already liking it. I'm liking it. So this is what iris smells like. Sometime back, I remember I got to smell this particular fragrance. Yeah, this one. This is Ermenegildo Xenia. And this is probably the most beautiful iris fragrance that I've ever smelled. And so I'm not sure how iris itself smells like, but it smells nice, man. It smells very, yeah, it's sophisticated and, you know, it's more classy. Mm. This is certain sweetness, which I'm really, really liking it. It is a bit dark. There's some dark aspect about it. I'm not sure how to express it, but there's some mystery and dark. It gives out that kind of vibe. I'm already wearing Sultan Vetiver today, so I don't. The smell is kind of addictive. Oh yeah. Mm. I have not. I have tried Deoram Intense at the malls, but it doesn't smell like that. I I get some like chocolatey kind of sweetness. I'm not sure where it is coming from. I see vanilla mentioned here, but I don't see that in the. Okay, tonka bean. Probably tonka bean. There's some beautiful sweetness. Not like too sweet, but like the right amount of sweetness. Hmm. That's amazing, man. Seriously. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful scent. It is very addictive. This smell is very is it is the sweetness, right? It is a very addictive sweetness. I want to keep like smelling it. It's beautiful. Oh, I think I'll probably use this as my like office scent. I only use few certain fragrances. Like I consider only certain fragrances like office fragrances so far. Mm, like Dear Rom is one. I'm talking about the 2020 batch, and Tom Ford Beau de Jour. I consider that a proper grey vetiver, Guerlain vetiver, and I think this one. This one is beautiful. But I'm not sure how the dry down is gonna be. Like, but the opening is beautiful. I love the opening. I'll maybe post another video, like when after using it for a few weeks or maybe months. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I've I've used this Prada L'Homme Intense for a few days, so I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I found. I I when I smelled it, I this I like there's something in this that smells pretty much like this. This is Prada Amber Pour Homme, but what it doesn't have is the freshness of this. So this is a very very soapy fragrance. It's a very fresh fragrance. That's what I like about this. But this one, it's not that fresh. Maybe it's maybe because of the iris. I think it gives it a bit powdery kind of feel. So I just try to compare what they have done with this. So this is a very simple fragrance. It doesn't have many notes. So you have this amber pour homme here. So you have, if you see here, except for the iris, pretty much the other ones are present, like tonka bean, leather, sandalwood, and patchouli. You have leather, tonka bean, sandalwood, and patchouli. You don't have amber. I'm not sure if anything, if they probably replaced amber here and iris. So they've gotten rid of all these fresh notes here, the ones like neroli, bergamot, mandarin orange, orange blossom, vetiver. So they've gotten rid of all of that and just added amber and iris. So it pretty much has this Prada amber pour homme smell. Yeah, but it's a bit powdery, I guess. And to my nose, I think it smells a bit lenient. Like I don't see any difference. I don't remember exactly how Prada L'Homme smells like. So, but I tried it at the mall and I wasn't a fan. I'm not a big fan of this either. I like this better because of the freshness. This one I can use it maybe like an office scent or something, but I was expecting something. I don't know what I was expecting. I just blind bought this, but maybe I was expecting something darker. Oh, yeah, but I'm wonder what Prada Amber Pour Homme Intense would smell like, because Prada L'Homme Intense. Okay, let's have a look. Prada Amber Pour Homme Intense. So let's see what they have added in that. I actually intended to buy this, but instead bought this because of the hype on YouTube, predominantly by Jeremy. He says like $1,000 hotel fragrance or something. But let's have a look like what this one has. So you have leather. It has pretty much the same notes as Amber Pour Homme, isn't it? So Mir Patchouli Amber. The amber is missing here as well. So the amber is missing here, and then vanilla, labdanum, saffron. So except for amber, amber is missing in the Amber Pour Homme, but they have added amber in the intense, and then they have removed the cardamom and the mandarin orange and yeah. So this so this Amber Pour Homme, it has a lot more notes than the intense ones or the Prada L'Homme Intense ones. That's a bit confusing to me. Okay, but like as of now, I'm still not a big fan of. I don't like powdery fragrances that much. Like I would rather prefer a soapy fragrance over over a powdery fragrance because it's fresh. This is not fresh. This is a bit yeah, yeah, but it doesn't just smell like it. Like it smells. It has like elements of it has that DNA is what I'm trying to say, but it goes in a different like direction because of the iris, I guess. Either way, I'm not a big fan of this, but it's a good to have because I don't have Prada alone. So yeah, it's a good addition to my collection. So yeah, thanks a lot guys for watching. Bye bye.